Hello rock garden enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're unveiling fantastic tips and tricks for crafting a stunning rock garden on lean ground. If you're just joining us, remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Now, let's dive into the world of rock gardens. So you have some lean ground and you want to transform it into a vibrant rock garden. The magic begins with assessing your soil. Lean ground, while excellent for rock gardens, often lacks essential nutrients. This is where good quality garden soil comes into play. By mixing it into your existing ground, you'll enrich the soil, giving your future plants a nutrient-packed foundation to thrive on. Remember, even the most resilient plants need some TLC to flourish. Mix this in to enrich the ground and provide a better foundation for your plants. Now talk rocks. The seemingly simple act of placing rocks is actually an art in itself. In a rock garden, it's not about randomly scattering these hardy elements. Instead, think of them as the backbone of your garden and arrange them in clusters or lines. This creates a flowing, natural layout that's pleasing to the eye. Consider a variety of sizes to add interest and depth. Remember, the key is to ensure they're secure in their positions, so they won't shift easily. Vary the sizes, but make sure they're stable and won't shift easily. Plant selection is key in a rock garden. You'll want to opt for low-maintenance, drought-tolerant plants that can thrive in lean soil. Consider succulents, with their intriguing shapes and varied hues, alpine plants, which naturally grow in rocky mountainous areas, or creeping ground covers, to create a lush carpet-like effect between your rocks. When placing your plants, aim for a natural random pattern rather than rigid rows. Remember, the goal is to mimic nature's random beauty. They'll add color and texture without demanding too much care. Watering is crucial, especially on lean ground. Deep yet infrequent watering encourages plants to grow robust root systems. Remember, it's not about keeping the surface wet. It's about reaching the depths where roots thrive. Mulching is a fantastic ally in this journey. It helps retain moisture and keeps those pesky weeds in check. As for maintenance, a well-designed rock garden requires minimal care. Prune as necessary, weed occasionally, and refresh your mulch as it decomposes. And don't forget to enjoy your garden. It's a labor of love, and with a little care, it'll be a source of joy and tranquility. That's it for today's tips and tricks on creating a beautiful rock garden on lean ground. We've covered soil preparation, rock and plant selection, watering and maintenance. Don't forget to like, share and comment. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy gardening!